Hello and welcome to the RCT series part 4. Today we will be discussing all the alternate options for RCT. So first and foremost, the most common thing which can be done other than RCT is tooth extraction. This is cheap. Many times a patient comes with a pre-mindset in their mind that Doctor RCT नहीं करा नहीं, आप तो दांत निकाल ही दो, बच्चे से एक आधी कम भी हो तो कोई बात नहीं, काम तो चलता ही रहेगा ना. So this is the most common thing which people prefer apart from RCT. Then next option is epicoectomy. This is a surgical procedure in which we do not enter into the root from within the tooth. Rather, we make a window from the gingiva and then we access the tip of the root और फिर उतनी ही tip root की हटाते हैं which is infected. The rest of the tooth is preserved and we suture the gingiva back and healing takes place. The tooth is protected. Then the third thing is which we can do apart from RCT is implants. Although it's a little expensive, but this is the best alternate option for RCT. Hands down, it goes without damaging your bone. It is a no-loss procedure because in future, even if your implant is not successful, it will come out of your tooth. It will go back to the company, be replaced, and we can replace it back into the same socket which was drilled while your implant took place on the very first time. Then the next option is bridge. What happens in this is we extract the teeth again, then we trim the alternate teeth in that socket, and after that we place a prosthesis on top of it. Next option is dentures. Here we give a removable plate to the patient, which is very much accessible and handy to the patient itself. They can place it in, as and when they feel like. But again, both bridges and dentures have their own cons. They both cause bone loss. Because see, bone has a tendency of resorption. If there is nothing to hold on top of it, it will resorb on its own. That is where implants are more successful. The other option that can take place is hemicectomy. Hemicectomy is again a surgical procedure. Here, we tend to split the teeth into two parts. The teeth part which is infected, we remove it, and then the other part which is safe, we preserve it with a prosthesis on top of it. Again, prefer a bridge because to prevent the occlusion on top of that teeth. The last option that can take place is regenerative endo. Although there is a lot of research going on in this field, but we can do this and we'll make a separate video on regenerative endodontics where I'll explain it further to you guys. So these are all the alternate options that we can perform in place of RCT. We have discussed the procedure of RCT, when we can do it, how we do it, its contraindications and its alternate options. If you guys have any doubt on these topics, kindly type it in the comment section and we can discuss it further.